How to hide all posts on Facebook from public or friends. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. In here, scroll down and click on Post. In Post, click on Limit Who Can See Past Post and click on View in there. After that, click on Limit Past Post in here. Then at the bottom, click on Limit Past Post. After you do that, you can simply go back to the settings and privacy and scroll. Scroll till you find Activity Log and click on Activity Log. After you're in Activity Log, click on Your Facebook Activity. After that, it will expand. Scroll down and click on Manage Posts. After you click on Manage Post, you will find all the posts. Simply click on the three dots beside the post you want to hide. Then at the bottom, click on Change Audience. After you click on Change Audience, select Only Me. After you do that, you will hide the post from public or friends. Repeat the process to all the posts you want. And this is how to hide all posts on Facebook from public or friends. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.